Using the ultimate universal paving and wall cladding adhesive is ideal for fixing porcelain patio tiles and natural stones to external bases and walls. You will require a bucket, clean water, electric drill with paddle, and your safety PPE. For mixing directions for the universal paving and wall cladding adhesive, follow the manufacturer's instructions. For this particular one, you would need a 1-in-3 mix. When installing the station range porcelain edging, install it onto a screeded or concrete base and use the tile adhesive to fix into position. And if you use this alongside our stainless steel trim range, it works exceptionally well to give a crisp finish.